So Beam Team just pushed out an update, so let's go through all of the new features. An update called New Raft Building System has been released, with obviously a lot of raft changes. First thing is that old crappy raft is gone. Now you can build rafts any size, and from any kind of building material. The crafting book has a new anchor icon on the left side where all the icons are. When you click on it, there is a new menu with 3 submenus: bases, floors, and propulsion. Inside bases menu there are 4 types of raft bases: tie raft base, barrel, buoy and wood bundle raft base. All of that can be found everywhere around world. Then there are raft floors. There are driftwood, wood, plank, corrugated and steel raft floors. In propulsion menu you will find a tarp sail and a boat motor. These are used to move the raft. I will get deeper into which one's faster in few minutes. This is a raft I was able to build in few minutes. It's made out of wood bundle raft base, corrugated raft floor and a tarp sail. To drive it, you just need to click and hold on sail. You can drag it around like the old one, but for this one you don't need a paddle anymore. You drive it by using WASD keys, and it drives at constant speed all the time no matter if there is wind or not. You can find tire or barrel on a shipwreck chained. All you have to do is take an axe and cut the chain and you will be able to drag it around. To make a tire base you just simply take a few tires and craft a base and place it anywhere on the floor. Once you build base you can build a floor on it. Once you built the floor you can add sail or motor. The raft is always going the same speed, no matter how big it is, but there is a slight problem with steering with the big rafts. I personally prefer boat motor over sail, because it's faster and you can even do some drifting with it. Editors, can you add some awesome music here? So the new thing about this new rafts is that you can transport huge amount of items on it. Drop any item at the floor and drive around, and they will stay there all the time. I also tried transporting a smaller raft with a bigger one. I think developers didn't plan that players will try to transport the small rafts on bigger ones, so here's what happens when you try to do so. Next thing I tried transporting is a piece of driftwood from one island to another. Looks like balancing isn't really greatest, because one piece of driftwood can sink the raft. Same goes for dead bodies. I mean corpses. I mean sharks. It's pretty hard to put a corpse onto the raft, and when you do it, you will probably turn the raft upside down shortly after starting to drive it. I made a big raft as you can see, and my conclusion is that it moves at same speed as any other one, but it steers very hardly. I tried transporting a few driftwood logs with it, and I was surprised that few logs can literally sink this big raft. Also, there was an update released that fixed some issues and finally removed the paddle cause it's not important and usable anymore. So my conclusion about this new raft and vehicle system is that it was really well made regarding building, but there are a lot of problems with transporting any kind of stuff, except stuff you can put in your inventory. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked this video leave a like and maybe even consider subscribing.